Mastering the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, Exam Overview. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on Cambridge English exams. Today, we're diving deep into the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, examination. If you've ever wondered what this exam entails, then you're in the right place. Let's explore an overview of this exam and set you on the path to success. The C1 Business Higher, also known as BEC Higher, is one of the Cambridge English exams tailored specifically for professionals and individuals aiming to use English in a business context. This exam represents a high-level qualification that showcases one's ability to operate efficiently in an English-speaking business environment. The BEC Higher exam is divided into three main components. 1. Reading and use of English. This section tests your reading skills and how well you can use different grammatical structures and vocabulary in a business context. 2. Writing. Here, you'll need to demonstrate your ability to write different types of business texts, such as reports, emails, and letters. 3. Listening and speaking. In this component, your auditory comprehension will be put to the test, alongside your capacity to communicate effectively in business scenarios. Each of these sections is designed to mirror real-life business situations, ensuring that successful candidates are well prepared for the business world. So, you might wonder, why should you consider taking the BEC Higher? Well, it enhances your CV, proving you can function in English in business settings. Many international companies recognize and value this qualification. It builds confidence in professional English use, both in written and spoken forms. Moreover, it's an investment in your professional future. By achieving this qualification, you're signaling to employers that you're ready for the global marketplace. That wraps up our overview of the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, examination. Whether you're considering it for career advancement, personal growth, or simply to challenge yourself, understanding the exam structure will undoubtedly help in your preparation. We hope this video has been enlightening. Best of luck in your language learning journey, and see you in the next one.